Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through a simple and complete guide on how to transfer money from PalmPay to another account in 2025. Let's get started. First, launch the PalmPay app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your correct credentials. Once you're in the home screen, look for the transfer options and tap on it. Next, you'll be asked to enter the recipient account number. Carefully type in the correct digits to avoid any mistakes. After that, you'll need to select the recipient's bank from the list provided. PalmPay supports most major banks in Nigeria, so just scroll and tap on the right one. Now enter the amount you want to send. Double check to make sure everything looks good, especially the account number, bank name, and amount. Once you're sure all details are correct, proceed to confirm the transactions. At this point, PalmPay will ask you to verify the transfer using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on your security settings. Complete the authentication and your transfer will be processed instantly. And that is it. You have just successfully sent money from PalmPay to the another account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with fresh content.